Jesuit education is about formation of the whole person, both inside the classroom, but also more broadly through the experiences that help young people form their characters and identify their purpose in life. The history of the college provides us with a template for the key aspects of an all-round education that helps facilitate this personal growth. These are adventure, chaplaincy, performing arts, and sport. Adventure, drawing upon a history of exploration, scientific innovation, and global travel. The college has all the facilities to ensure pupils can achieve their co-curricular ambitions. The Stonyhurst Diploma recognises the contribution of pupils to the other half of a Stonyhurst education. Ultimately, what the co-curricular programme aims to achieve is to create well-rounded men and women who can go out into the world with a set of skills and experiences that set them apart, giving them qualities which allow them to become leaders in our world and the catalyst for positive change. Our college motto is Quan Je Puis, as much as I can, and it is this key message of doing more than is easy, more than is expected, more than others would, which lies at the heart of the co-curricular programme at Stonyhurst.